so bad, I wanna shoot like hoops while I'm riding in the coupe. I got what you want, it ain't nothing but a loop. Don't listen to friends, they don't know what's best for you. I want you, yeah, bad, I wanna shoot like hoops while I'm riding in the coupe. I got what you want, it ain't nothing but a loop. Don't listen to friends, they don't know what's best for you. I want you, yeah, I wanna shoot. Girl, you too bad for me not to press you, yeah. Young fly nigga, I don't follow all these rules, yeah. Bitch, I'm making tunes, I ain't missing, I won't lose. Let's go to an island where the water around is blue. I got two bad bitches in the coupe, 42 in the bottle, glasses on full too. Ain't no games, I ain't playing, I want you, yeah. Take a trip, let's go shopping, I got blues, yeah. We got options you could choose. Yeah, you want it, I can buy it, ain't no rules, yeah. I'm just saying, let me help you upgrade you, yeah. Fuck that nigga, he don't care about you, yeah. Girl, move on. He can't treat you like I do, my money too long. I got homies for your friends and we can group on. We are early, hit our shot like Curry. Bitch, I wanna shoot like hoops while I'm riding in the coupe. I got what you want, it ain't nothing but a loop. Don't listen to friends, they don't know what's best for you. I want you, yeah, bad, I wanna shoot like hoops while I'm riding in the coupe. I got what you want, it ain't nothing but a loop. Don't listen to friends, they don't know what's best for you. I want you, yeah, I wanna shoot, yeah. What's the move with you? Where you move it? I'm sticking like some glue with you. Got you doing all the things he never do with you. Got this smile and the vibe is something new with you. We could take a jet back, an island set back, counting cash in the bumblebee, a yellow drop vid. I've been doing a lot of shit that they never tried yet. Have your ice real frozen, you might get frostbit, yeah. I just wanna do the dash. I'ma always put you first, never put you last. Way you shake that ass make me wanna throw some cash. Girl, you way too bad, throw that nigga in the trash. You know I'm gon' shoot like hoops while I'm riding in the coupe. I got what you want, it ain't nothing but a loop. Don't listen to friends, they don't know what's best for you. I want you, yeah, bad, I wanna shoot like hoops while I'm riding in the coupe. I got what you want, it ain't nothing but a loop. Don't listen to friends, they don't know what's best for you. I want you, yeah, I wanna shoot.
Hey, Will, this shit is fucking cold. Do me something.
Goodwill.
Yeah.
Your life with mine would never be the same. This ain't no talent, this a job, this ain't no game. I know some hoes that'll fuck me off my name. Why I post up on the ground when I can sell the whole thing? It's the fame for you, it's the bag for me. It's the diamonds in the cars in the house for me. I had to cut them all off and made time for me. It's a dream to you, but this shit real for me. I got a little nympho, man, I swear your daughter just wanna fuck. She pretty smart, but to the streets, man, that girl don't know nothing. Cause last time she came along, she pulled up, I wrote her up. Man, I told that pretty bitch, you better fuck on my twin. Ain't no feelings in this shit, that's why I'm clutching on my gadget. As I'm stepping in my balance move, always been on savage. BB Simmons round my waist, look like a halo as I'm passing. I'm smelling like on Michael Creed, this belt here came from God's attic. Placing hating on my name, on God to get you split. Tell your nigga, he too soft, go find him a toy to play with. Hell, now we ain't the same, we can pull it out on game. Have you broke down by them lanes, get you hunted by them stains, nigga. Your life with mine would never be the same. This ain't no talent, this a job, this ain't no game. I know some hoes that'll fuck me off my name. Why I post up on the ground when I can sell the whole thing? It's the fame for you, it's the bag for me. It's the diamonds in the cars in the house for me. I had to cut them all off and made time for me. It's a dream to you, but this shit real for me. It's the fame for you, it's the bag for me. It's the diamonds in the cars in the house for me. I had to cut them all off and made time for me. It's a dream to you, but this shit real for me. Hit this slab, man, I'm about to smoke one. Got some bottles and do me some and pull up. Seen a op while in traffic, spit my dude straight on my shirt. Now I'm full of madness. Fuck this rap shit. Get garbage. Wait, hey twin, man, I swear to God this nigga had me fucked up on guard. Shit so tragic, did him up in this town. Bet this city know me now. Hold this shit down for pop, man, I told you I never change. You gave your son my whole name, you gave your son my only name. It's the trap for me, yeah. Drugs for me, yeah. It's the niggas in the gang, that's right, for me. It's these hoes that be hopping all top, for me. It's the gang, for you, it's the streets, for me. Your life with mine will never be the same. This ain't no talent, this a job, this ain't no game. I know some hoes that'll fuck me off my name. Why I post up on the ground when I can sell the whole thing?
North Blaze.
It's out of my bitches, it's out of my weed. Ain't trust little bitches, they out for the streets. You want somebody that follow my lead. That boy got a magazine, but he don't read. I'm stuck, know that I throw my cup. You broke, you got bad luck. Yeah, you just like your hoe, you suck. Yeah, I know big dog, you nigga pop. Daytime, nighttime, handle my business. That's not you, why you portraying that image? Catch me at the trap, won't catch me at Lennox. Don't be shocked, but my nigga be spinning. No cap to the spot, we ain't going on no date. Get on that sidewalk, y'all in the way. Work got me up in the way. 5 pre-rolls in the back with a tray.
5 bad wood, but my cup too dirty. Stuck a little dick in my gun, she a virgin. I was down on the 4th, nigga, I was never nervous. I'm watching these niggas, they know I'm observant. Y'all on my dick, but that B used to curve. Ain't fold these niggas, I think I'm allergic. Niggas be scared, they don't wanna serve me. I'm kicking shit at your bitch house. We took that bitch to a lit house. We took that bitch to a brick house. I'm wrecking my mood like I'm Chris Brown. Filling my cup, nigga came for my pain. Don't got a cake, so these bitches can't say. Little dope boy, white tee and some J. I used to cut the dope with a blade.
Don't got a cake, hoe can't get saved. I want them bands like a parade. All of my niggas gon' stay like parade. Just sit on the tree and still want throw shade. You got them guessing, got me charade. Playbook empty, you don't got no plays. Same old shit, just a different day. Clocking in the studio, don't take a break. Smoking on side, you talking that block. All these questions, you sound like a cop. All these guns, we ain't running for ops. Stop my phone before you come knock. I'm trapping, ain't kicking no dough. Whoa, money call me and then I gotta go. They pull up on me, I don't trapping no stove. 100 bands, out of my business, it's out of my weed. Ain't trust little bitches, they out for the streets. You want somebody that follow my lead. That boy got a magazine, but he don't read. I'm stuck, know that I throw my cup. You
got the same stack. What else you got? I don't have Magnetos make good. I got FCS.
I don't have Baltimore Special. Baltimore Special, what's that?
That's what I got. I got Baltimore Special.
It's just the Max Track, bro.
Max Track.
Max Track.
I heard Max Track for the money you get.
Yeah. I'm a show off.
You don't get this type of hype show off? Not at all. This nigga on bags.
That's why I'm sorry like this. You use Max? Mine's probably the I know you good think about doing it, but I'm gonna tell you, like, I'm regretting with fast ass hose. Like the way I did my bags, like how fast they work. Right. Just because it's such a new vehicle, bro. Oh. And like you know what I mean? Yeah. Like, for instance, your caddy, bro. Like my girlfriend, she has like we put 3 inches. So it goes down. Bro, I'm not able to enjoy it when it goes down.
Yeah, because it goes down so fast.
Yeah, bro. It's just like it go down quick.
That shit still badass, though.
That shit still gas, bro. Wait, I had to pull up on niggas.
What? This is a flex.
Hey,
Who did it? He did it.
He can, dude.
Dang. No, don't get scared now, man. That's the guy.
This Mr.
Money talk, ain't it?
This Mr. 07 to 13.
Ooh.
that bitch gas.
Yeah.
Why you got to do us like that when you left the show? You got to be bad, man.
Y'all didn't hear none of that. Y'all didn't hear none of that. Hey, but guess what? I pay my payments on time.
That's right.
Always.
He said he going to Geico anyway.
Nah.
No, you
They
ain't.
they drop Ashton Duncan, so I know they.
So you know.
I know they ain't coming. Yeah, get on the every time I ask.
I swear, 19. 19.
I'm about to say, right, go right here. You want 10?
Oh, you want 20?
Yeah.
You better go back in there. I'm saying. 5%. You want 10? 12 bucks?
$22.
$22. That's going right to gas, man.
You just scratch all this shit off?
Yeah, you just scratch off, so basically you match up here. How's that work? If you match up here?
Yeah, so whatever, these are the winning numbers.
Right.
And then whatever the number, like right here, 6.
You get that
six,
amount.
I got $10.
Shit, okay.
Yeah, you need to check out the winning number.
Hold on. Do one of those
That's
match?
crazy.
Hey man, hold on, man. Hold on. No tripping. Nice job. 28, 2, 25, 16.
Hey y'all, my boy trying to get some gas back here.
You try to get the gas money to go home, that's all.
That's not gas money.
I'm trying to get off my fridge thing.
Food stamps.
EBT is gone?
EBT.
30 more?
No, if you want $30, I'm about buying another one. I'm at 26, 27. She told me if I went 300,000, she got me.
Yeah, said number one.
You're at the state of Georgia, Atlanta. That's where you gotta go.
You ain't gonna drive us if we win.
Hell no.
Come on, man. We'll give you gas money.
No, that's okay.
300,000.
Can't do nothing with it.
I'm out gambling, man.
Y'all done changed, boy. Not a habit. Not a habit.
Oh, Lord. That's good.
Thank you.
How much you want?
Hell, we're just gambling. We're just gambling now. We try to.
Hey, bro, listen. Let me tell you, this is what I do. I ain't on shit yet. How much you want? I make money.
You doing?
Bro, every time I'm joking, bro, I be hitting licks. Trust me, you don't know when I get some 16 while I hit big, bro. I hit the money.
He talking like you know how to earn your own bags.
All right, these boys done came to Georgia and done picked up an addiction. They don't care shit about wheels no more. All they want is lottery tickets.
My mom and dad would be so depressed if I did this.
Yo, you ain't won nothing yet.
Hey, your daddy gonna kill us, Callie.
Yo, it was a good truck meet, man. I enjoyed it. Hold on, let me order my food real quick. Lee. Lee. Yeah. Let me just get a cookies and cream milkshake. No cherry. Yeah, and that's it.
No cherry, no whip?
Yeah, let me get whipped cream.
Okay.
And that's it.
This one is $4.50.
Anyway, yeah, it was a good truck meet. I mean, I ain't take home no trophy. I still got a lot to do to the trucks. I mean, I get it, but I was able to link up with a lot of creators and stuff like that, and you know what I'm saying, meet some people that actually follow me. So if you're watching this video, man, shout out to you guys that came up and talked to me. And yeah, man, I'm gonna definitely start making more time to start going back to truck meets. I'm actually gonna pull up to this little thing real quick. These people supposed to be slanging vehicles, so we're gonna see what that is. And then after that, I gotta go DJ tonight. So yeah, picked up some merch from the Los Chicos. I got my Just Cruising sticker. So yeah, you know what I'm saying, I support people brands.
What's going on?
Yo, my boy, we don't put a chick. All I wanted was a milkshake, but my boy out here talking about Mustang. He don't know I like Mustang.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
I got me a little small detailing business too. If you want a card?
Yes, sir, if you got it.
Yeah, I got it on me, man. Yeah.
I'm always about networking and, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, spreading the word, you know?
That's it. Hell, I might be on this side of town and need a detail, you know what I'm saying?
I got you, bro. You know, I just got done doing one today, so I'm like,
okay.
Shoot, you know?
Deal, say less, my brother.
Yeah, I do inside and out. It's only 35 for trucks, bro.
Hey, my bro. We good, man.
Be
Yes,
safe,
I hope
man.
you get that Mustang, man.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Yeah, man. My guy, a real cool guy right there, man.